Sentimientos y eso, difíciles momentos será por tu infancia.
Hello, Christian.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Nothing.
What were you just doing?
Dancing.
With who?
Didi.
TD. Did you have fun? Do you want to shake your ass?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Christian, shake
Shake
your
it. All right. Do you have anything to say? What do you want to say? Say something, Christian.
Up. The movie's coming on. The movie's on.
Well, that's kind of for